Hello, this is Mr. Young, and welcome to Lesson 2.2, Compounds. Before proceeding, I'd like to ask that you take out something to write with and something to write on. These notes are a valuable resource to have on hand as you work through the lessons. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to define and describe the characteristics of a compound. Take a moment to write down your vocabulary word and leave space for a definition. A compound is a substance that is made from two or more simpler substances and can be broken down into simple substances. A compound always contains two or more elements joined in fixed proportions. In the last lesson, we used table sugar and table salt as examples of compounds. The chemical name for table sugar is sucrose and is made up of the elements carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. The ratio of these elements is 12 atoms of carbon to 22 atoms of hydrogen and 11 atoms of oxygen. The chemical name for table salt is sodium chloride, and it is made of two elements, sodium and chlorine, in a 1-to-1 ratio. Water is composed of two elements, hydrogen and oxygen. Oxygen and hydrogen are gases at room temperature, but water is a liquid. Hydrogen can fuel a fire, and oxygen can keep a fire burning, but water does not burn or help other substances to burn. As a matter of fact, we use water to put out fires. Table salt is made up of sodium, a metal that is so reactive with water and oxygen it must be stored in special containers so that the sodium doesn't react with the air or water. Chlorine is a yellowish-green gas that is poisonous, but combined together, they make French fries taste delicious. Silicon dioxide is a compound found in most light-colored grains of sand and in crystals of quartz. It is a colorless, transparent solid, yet silicon dioxide is made up from the colorless gas oxygen and a gray solid, silicon. In silicon dioxide, there are always two oxygen atoms for each silicon atom. Again, these are always in fixed ratios. By now, you should be able to define and describe the characteristics of a compound. We hope you have enjoyed our lesson.